When you live in Fort Lauderdale, you quickly learn how much your home depends on good insulation and efficient temperature control. With year-round heat, high humidity, and the seasonal risk of tropical storms, your doors do more than provide a stylish entryway. They play a major role in your home's energy performance. Upgrading your doors or installing new, energy-efficient models can significantly reduce monthly utility bills, enhance comfort, and improve overall home value. Here's how professional door installation in Fort Lauderdale can boost energy efficiency and make your home more resilient and cost-effective. Modern doors provide better insulation. Older doors, especially wooden ones that have expanded or warped over time, often allow warm outdoor air to seep into your home. Even small gaps or cracks can strain your HVAC system and cause uneven indoor temperatures. Newer door models are designed with insulation in mind. Materials like fiberglass, insulated steel, and composite blends naturally resist heat transfer and help maintain stable indoor temperatures. When you choose a properly insulated door, you instantly reduce how hard your air conditioner has to work, an important advantage in a climate where AC runs nearly all year long. Better insulation also cuts down on moisture infiltration, helping to prevent mold and mildew growth. Improved weather stripping and sealing reduces air leaks. One of the most common sources of energy loss is poor sealing around the door frame. Even if the door itself is high quality, worn or outdated weather stripping can create small but constant air leaks. Professional door installation ensures tight, reinforced seals around the entire frame, secure thresholds that block drafts, precision alignment that keeps the door closing properly. These improvements may seem minor, but in Fort Lauderdale's hot and humid climate, they make a noticeable difference. A tightly sealed door keeps conditioned air inside and outdoor heat outside, creating greater comfort with less energy use. Energy-efficient glass options reduce heat gain. If your entry door or patio door includes glass panels, the type of glass matters. Fort Lauderdale homeowners benefit from insulated glass with low emissivity, low-E coatings, which reflect heat rather than absorb it. Double or triple pane glass also creates an insulating barrier that reduces solar heat gain. Upgrading to energy-efficient glass stops your home from feeling like a greenhouse during peak sun hours. This investment helps lower cooling costs while still allowing natural light to brighten your space. Storm-ready doors protect your home and efficiency. Many Fort Lauderdale homeowners upgrade their doors to meet hurricane resistance standards. Impact-rated doors are not only stronger and safer, they also provide excellent energy efficiency. Their reinforced construction, stronger seals, and high-performance materials offer better insulation than traditional doors. With a hurricane-rated door, you enjoy reduced heat transfer, enhanced soundproofing, better long-term durability. These features help maintain consistent indoor temperatures even when outdoor conditions are extreme. A proper installation makes all the difference. Even the best door can underperform if it isn't installed correctly. Gaps in the frame, poor leveling, and improper sealing can lead to energy loss, moisture problems, or premature wear. Professional installers ensure the door fits perfectly, operates smoothly, and provides the full energy efficiency benefits it was designed for. With a climate like Fort Lauderdale's, precision installation is essential, not optional. Lower energy costs and a more comfortable home. Once your home has an upgraded and properly installed door, the benefits are almost immediate. You may notice lower monthly energy bills, more consistent indoor temperatures, fewer drafts, a quieter, more peaceful home environment. Many homeowners report feeling a difference the same week the new door is installed. Upgrading your doors is one of the easiest and most impactful ways to improve your home's energy efficiency in Fort Lauderdale. From better insulation and modern materials to improved sealing and advanced glass technology, a new door can help you create a more comfortable, efficient, and storm-ready home. If you're ready to enhance your home's performance, professional door installation is a smart investment that delivers value year-round.